Hi folks, concerning the mLRS project, let me briefly show you this. So yesterday I was asked in my YouTube channel by this sir here, I don't want to try to spell his name, why I'm not showing in a video how the things behave when one is trying to connect the MissionPlanner or Q-Ground Control or something like this. And I said, well, that's a very good question, of course, but I just haven't tried it. And the reason really is why I haven't tried it, that I was kind of thinking that the system is not ready for that, right? I mean, the SEER link is still very primitive, as I've explained in another video, and there's no retransmission of lost packets. There is no effort to adjust the data rate and so on and so forth. So I just was thinking, okay, that's not yet the time for doing such things, right? But this morning when I had my morning coffee, I was just thinking, okay, you have 5 minutes time, so just let's try it. And I was a bit surprised by what I have found by that. So this is the usual setup. Here my transmitter running with muffling for OpenTX. And here I'm using this mLRS module here. So there's no wire, nothing. So it's really through there, right? Here is the receiver and it's connected to this flight controller, right? And what I'm going to do is that I'm connecting here via this USB cable. So, I'm connecting here my PC via this USB cable. Then I'm selecting here this USB for muffling connection. Okay, and this is now MissionPlanner, and I will try to record this, both the screen and this here. So this would be here COM51, I think that's correct. So let me get the other camera. Okay. Oops. Okay, so I start connecting now. So it's trying to get the parameters via MUF FTP. This takes a while, it's a slow link, but voila, it did work. And now we have our telemetry working, right? So you can see the HUD. So we have our parameters. We can go here to the configuration. My computer is a bit slow. We have here our parameters and so on and so forth. So everything, we have the messages, right? So this just works. Yeah, so what this has shown is that one indeed seems to be able to connect to MissionPlanner without issues. What was interesting in here, that the data rate is actually not exceeding more than 2000 bytes per second, which is, since the mLRS link provides 4000 bytes per second, is just 50% actually of the available data rate, right? So this is the part which kind of has surprised me. So apparently Autopilot is throttling the data rate successfully here in this configuration. So kudos to Autopilot. And in some way, the SEER link seems to be actually working better than what I have thought, right? So this was what I just wanted to show you briefly. Have fun. See you the next time.